Hi, I'm Rich Close, and today's iPhone tutorial is on the Settings menu, or Settings app, depending on how you want to look at it. Please make sure to click the link below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also visit richclose.com. Okay, Settings. So what you want to look for is the gear icon. It's this gray looking thing with gears, and it says Settings. If you can't find it, you can also, just again quickly touch the screen and slide down, and you can type in Settings, and it shows up here, right? So let's just cancel out of that, and we'll go back to my home screen and click on Settings. So you'll use Settings a lot. I'm obviously going to have several videos that you can go to for specifics on each of the different settings to set on your iPhone. But it's an important screen, and it's important to know the information within the Settings app. So again, you can find your Apple ID, iCloud login, purchase information at the top of the screen. If you think about this next level, these are all the radios and how your iPhone can communicate. You can turn on or off airplane mode here. Again, that'll shut down all of your radios, so your Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi will get turned off. For example, if you get on an airplane. The Bluetooth settings, cellular, personal hotspots. Again, notifications and sounds, right? Focus time, kind of the next grouping. And then a lot of the different apps and functionality of your iPhone itself shows up in the next section. The App Store, Wallet and Pay. And then you start to get into each of the specific apps and what you can do to control each of the settings in the apps. And you can see these are the apps that are on your phone. The first groupings are a lot of the Apple apps. But as you scroll through, you'll get to almost every app that you have stored on your phone and the settings that might apply to that app itself. So again, as you scroll through the bottom here now you're kind of seeing the non-Apple apps showing up, and as you can see, I have several. And each one of these, there's different settings you can set up for maybe location services or some of the features within the app itself, someplace for you to go and explore, right? So again, that's the settings menu at a high level. Again, I'm going to offer several different tutorials on how to adjust the different settings on your iPhone for your particular needs. So again, the settings menu. Again, go back out to the home screen. It's the gear looking object. And again, you can search for it by pulling down and typing in settings. As always, thanks again for watching my YouTube videos. Again, please subscribe with the link below and visit my website where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.